Hey, it's Michael LaFido from the Lux Group. I want to share with you in this video the value of maintaining your property, but I want to first start off with a car analogy. Recently, I had a friend go to Carvana to sell his car, and he went to a couple private dealerships, and he shared with them that he had a windshield replaced recently and changed recently his windshield wipers, and his tires were only about 6 months old. And he recently buffed out his car, and the car dealerships all said those are great things to maybe help sell the car faster, but we can't ask for more money because a buyer's going to expect your car not to have a broken windshield and the tires not to be bald. And it brings me to a point where many times I have a seller reach out to me and be like, hey, Mike, we'd like to go on a little bit higher because we painted recently, or the roof is only 3 years old, or the furnace, we just put a brand new furnace. But just a simple reminder, when buyers are looking for homes, they're expecting the mechanicals to work properly. They're expecting the maintenance items to be taken care of and the roof not to be leaky. So you can't necessarily ask for more money when you take care of some of these maintenance items, but you will attract better offers and less lowball offers when you maintain a home. But it's really important to realize there is a difference. You can't ask for more money because you maintain a property, just like my friend couldn't ask for more money because he maintained his car. So maintenance will net you more value, but you can't ask for more. My name is Michael LaFido. My information is below, and if you find value in this video, leave us a like, leave us a review, and feel free to reach out if you want a second opinion on your home. And if you're buying a home, we can set you up on our app where you get access to off-market properties. Take care.